We're in Houston feeding ducks. Oh my gosh.
What? Hello, guys.
What's this? What? Hey, Riley, what's this?
Throw it out, Riley. Throw it.
Throw some out.
Riley, come. Don't go over there. Straight. Come over here.
I need some more bed.
Ready? You're safe. There you go, sweetie.
Go out there by Daddy. You're okay.
There's another piece. If you get worried, let Daddy know and I'll take some out. Okay? Too close to Riley.
I can say watch it now.
Oh, don't do that, Riley. They might bite you.
Uh-oh, there's your piece of bread, Riley.
Here you go.
It bit my hand. It didn't hurt that bad though, so I'm alright. Riley, I'll feed him all my hand. Huh? We got 2 more pieces. Hey, throw little pieces.
Ah, one's eyeing me. Get away, buddy. He's eyeing me.
Which one?
That one.
Take it, Riley. Do that one.
You guys should go out by the grass.
Out by the grass?
Yeah, so I can get a
Riley,
better
there's the baby.
view.
Come on, let's go feed the baby.
Oh my gosh!